Q5D is a new company with a disruptive technology that automates the manufacture of wiring harnesses. Wiring harnesses are used in everything from fridges to fighter planes. They're manufactured largely by hand in much the same way as they have been for the last 100 years. It's an expensive process, one that's prone to error, and it's crying out for automation. All wiring harness companies are struggling with the same problem. How do you increase the functionality of your wiring harness and your product without impacting on its cost and its quality and without increasing its weight?
Q5D is a joint venture between CEL-UK, a 3D printer manufacturer, and M-Solv, an expert in laser machining, to develop a whole new system in 3D printing and conductive track deposition.
In essence, Q5D's technology is a 5-axis platform with an end effect changer. That means it can swap between different heads that can do different things. So one of the heads will be able to lay down polymer in the way that a 3D printer does. Another head will be able to embed wiring into that. Another head will be able to put terminations on that. And a final head will be to lay down a copper paste and then laser sinter that copper paste into a solid. The combination of all those different things mean this machine is able to do something that no other machine in the world is able to do.
For power application, nothing beats solid copper. We developed a head for our 5-axis platform that allows you to deposit wire onto 3-dimensional parts or 3D prints.
So for example, you can take a component that is pressed sheet metal, or it's been injection molded, and then use the 5-axis machine to follow the contours of that to lay down wiring or do printed electronics.
The main benefit of our 5-axis system allows you to put laminate layers in any direction, making continuous fibers or continuous prints over complicated 3-dimensional shapes.
Currently, finite element analysis and all those kind of strength designs are not done properly on wiring harnesses. But when the wiring is embedded within the component in the way that it will be with Q5D technology, then you suddenly have the ability to actually understand the failure modes of your electrical design as well as the failure modes of your structural design in a way that hasn't been possible before. So Q5D is going to mean major benefits to the UK. It means that we can bring jobs that are currently labour intensive back to the UK because we're automating them, and so it's now about cost of capital. And it will have a revolutionary effect in the aerospace industry, in the automotive industry, and in many others. Q5D is a young company. It has a product for which there is a clear need, and the company has an exciting future.